Hello everyone. Today we're making spaghetti or chicken spaghetti for a crowd. I have assembled here some cooked and prepared chicken, Velveeta cheese. I have the diced rotel tomatoes, spaghetti, cream of mushroom, and cream of chicken. The first thing we're going to do is boil our spaghetti according to package directions. The spaghetti's boiling. I did boil it in my chicken broth that I prepared my chicken in. You can add salt or you could use that chicken broth. It's just more added flavor. We're going to strain these and I'll show you what I do next. I have the pot back on the stove. It's on a medium heat. I'm going to add, this is my rotel tomatoes. I processed some celery, onion, and bell pepper also. We're going to let this simmer for a minute to wake up the flavors. Then we'll add in our soups. So this has been simmering for about 10 minutes, and the reason I did that because the vegetables were raw. And I don't want to crunch in my spaghetti when I'm eating it, so I wanted to cook the vegetables. Now we're going to add these soups in. Bring this back up to temp and we'll add the Velveeta next. And when I say Velveeta, I mean Velveeta. That other cheese, you can use it, but it's not the same. It's very salty. I don't like it. I use Velveeta. So we're gonna. This is back up to temp. I'm going to add the Velveeta now, and I always cut it in cubes so it'll melt faster. We're going to stir this until it's melted. We're going to add the chicken in last because you tear it up when you're stirring. So when this comes up, we're going to taste the salt level. If it needs anything, I will add Tony's at that time. So my cheese is melted. We're going to now add this chicken in. I'm going to let this simmer for a few minutes. You're going to taste that salt level and see where we're at. I've got 2 pans that I distributed the spaghetti in. Now we're going to pour this on there. I'm going to stir it up. I'll let you see the finished product. Oh my goodness. Chicken spaghetti for a crowd. If you try this, I promise you'll thank me later.